In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp status on phone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share photos, videos, voice notes, or text updates that appear for your contacts for 24 hours. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone and make sure you're connected to the internet. If this is your first time posting a status, allow the app any camera, microphone, or photo library permissions it asks for so you can capture or select what you want to share. Next, go to the Updates tab. On most phones, you'll find it along the bottom or top of the screen. This tab is where status lives, and you'll also see any recent updates from your contacts. At the top, look for My Status. This is your posting area, and you'll notice there are two simple ways to create an update, depending on what you want to share. If you want to post a photo, video, or a voice note, tap the camera icon or tap the plus button next to My Status. This opens the camera, tap the shutter to take a photo, or press and hold it to record a video. If you'd rather use something you already have, choose from your gallery. You should also see a small microphone option on this screen that lets you record a voice status. Press and hold to record, then release to stop. Before you post, use the on-screen tools to add text, emojis, stickers, or drawings. You can trim video clips, crop photos, and write a caption so people know what they're looking at. Keep videos short and steady and make sure your lighting and audio are clear for the best results. If you want to post a text-only link or a quick quote, tap the pencil icon, type your message, and then personalize it. Change the background color, pick a different font, and add emojis to make it stand out. If you paste a link, WhatsApp may show a preview so viewers know where it goes. Now capture or select your media and finalize the look. Double check the text, stickers, and captions, and play back any video or voice note to be sure it sounds right. If something feels off, use the back arrow to retake or reselect. When you're happy with it, publish your update by tapping the send or arrow button. Your post will appear under My Status and will be visible to your chosen audience for 24 hours. If you need to fine tune who can see it, look for the status privacy option on the posting screen. After posting, you can open My Status to view it, check who has seen it, or delete it if you change your mind. That's it. Your WhatsApp status is live.